Hello students, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming back with another problem on 1D motion. Let us see, this problem is from Andhra Pradesh CET 2022. So we are in Andhra Pradesh CET solving questions. So let us look at the first question, okay, not actually the first one. So y is equal to p into t square minus q into t cube meter is the vertical displacement of a ball which is moving in a vertical plane. Then the maximum height that the ball can reach is. Now, one of the things what is required here is it is not motion in gravity. They have never said that, right? So there is a vertical plane and we are not sure whether it is two-dimensional motion or one-dimensional motion. Nonetheless, however it moves, it goes to a top position, right? So when it goes to the top position, what happens? Change in y with respect to time will become equal to 0, right? Because there is no change, it goes top, it does not change much and then it comes back. That is, velocity is going to be 0. So what is going to happen here is my dy by dt will be equal to 0. This is, we will differentiate this equation which is given. When you differentiate that, you will get 2 into p into t minus 3q into t square. I hope by now you have understood how differentiation has to be made and you have understood how this is to be done. If not, please put it in the comments. I will open it up in the coming videos. Okay. So 3q into t square. Now, this particular thing should be equal to 0. That means my 2 into or 3 into q into t square, I am taking this on the left hand side, this would be equal to 2 into p into t, right? Now one of the t gets cancelled on both sides, so what remains is t is equal to 2p by 3q. I hope 3q I have taken it down. So this is the time which is required, right? Now what is the position? The maximum height comes when velocity is going to be 0. So we have got the condition of the time when the velocity is going to be 0. But what is the height? Height we have to directly substitute into this. So y is equal to p t square minus q t cube. Let us substitute this here. P into t square would be 2p into 3q square minus q into 2p by 3q cube, right? So this would be equal to p into 2 square would be 4 into p square divided by 3 square would be 9 and q square, right? Minus q into 2 cube is 8, then p cube divided by 3 cube is 27 and we have q cube. And actually we can cancel 1 q here and make it square on this side. And here also what happens, this becomes 4 times p cube divided by 9 times q square minus 8 times p cube divided by 27 times q square. Now this would be nothing but equal to, if I take out 4p cube divided by 9q square from both of them, I will get inside 1 minus 2 by 3. Because 4 into 2 is 8 and 9 into 3 is 27. And this would come as 4p cube divided by 9q square into 1 by 3. And this would give the answer 4p cube divided by 27q square. This would be the answer. The answer would be the third one, C. C would be the answer. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, students. And always I say, before you open this video, try to solve it by yourself. And then if you're not able to solve, only then open it up. Or to see whether your answer is right or wrong, then only you see the video. So all the best students, happy learning. Thank you.